Is it just me, or do you ever advise folks to Google anything when they ask a question to which you don't have the answer? You only need an internet connection and a phone or computer. Wherever you are in the world, you can apply this technique. For more information on this method and the chance to potentially make up to $2,500 every day, keep watching the video until the end. Now that we're back on the video, I want you to go to Google and type in Google News, or if you prefer, just go straight to news.google.com. You will reach this page after doing so. However, you should pay special attention to the many news categories on the left side of the website if you want to get compensated by Google. The subjects that people are most interested in learning more about right now include business, technology, entertainment, sports, and health. You can get the news for that region by clicking on one of these links. Pick one that interests you for the next stage from the numerous articles here that all appear to be written very professionally. Simply click the link to be directed to the official article, which contains all of the news on the topic we choose after selecting one. The magic portion will now start. Excellent technique to generate money is by using Google News and articles from other people's expert articles. Simply copy the paragraph or these sentences. Please go to spinbot.com as we move on to the next level. It just requires that you paste the passage that we previously copied over here and click this button to begin altering the texts. You can harness the power of Google and AI technology to rewrite articles, personalize them, and transform them into material that is superior to the competition and where you can make tons of money utilizing this method. Gaining more revenue by visiting more websites. TextBroker is the first website. Click I Write Content here at the top of the page after you arrive there, then click Payment. You can get paid instantaneously here, and they'll show you how much money you could possibly make depending on the caliber of your articles. On this website, you will be awarded star ratings, and different ratings equate to varying payment rates per word. Just go to Google News and search for other people's articles. You don't even need to write your own articles or have any writing experience or talents for this. After that, the powerful Spinbot will completely rewrite the post, and the interesting part is that you can make money simply by using Google to search. Anyone can accomplish this, even you. In fact, if you use excellent Google articles, you'll be receiving ratings of 4 to 5 stars, which will earn you a ton of cash. You can mix numerous articles into one to raise the word count and your revenue. And it's one of the easiest tactics I've seen in a while for newbies to understand. Keep watching because I'll show you 2 more places where posting articles written by others could earn you money. Our second website is HeWriter.com, and using HeWriter merely takes 5 easy actions. First, open a free account. Request the type of content you wish to work on in Step 2. Receiving your content from a writer is Step 3. Step 4. After reviewing our content, you could decide whether to accept it or not. Step 5. Get paid after people download your stuff. As you can see from this page, they will pay you generously here. Depending on what clients buy under Elite, your earnings could range from $8.05 for 300 words to $95 for 4,000 words, assuming you're serious about this. The good news is that you may join the Elite Plus category and start earning roughly $300 for up to 3,500 words if you submit high-quality articles, like those from Google News. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. I want you to go to scripted.com because they often pay you for any articles you've written. All you have to do is click the Become a Writer button to be taken to this page, where you can apply to work as a freelancer unscripted and submit your application right away. Nowadays, you can get employment in any sector or division. Because they cover the most well-known and popular subjects that people are interested in, Google and Google News are so well-liked. There are simply too many resources available for news and articles of all kinds, and they are constantly being updated in the fields of science, technology, entertainment, and even health. It is my intention to share the most unique and cutting-edge technologies with you guys, as no one else is mentioning this approach. You can edit an article using the AI application Spinbot. Starting here is great and beginner-friendly, and payment is assured. 15 days after acceptance, you could request immediate payment and establish your own pricing in contrast to the 2 earlier websites. You may virtually double your income by raising your prices because you are paid well and have the freedom to work whenever and wherever you want. Presently, they welcome applications from more than 20 nations. To access this page where you may finish your registration to create a free account, just click the Apply Now button. Use the resources of Google and Google News to identify several articles, rewrite them, and submit them to 3 separate websites to earn money from Google. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.